Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University and coach to superstars just like you. If you get any use out of this video, I want you to consider subscribing to this channel. And please, if you want to do me a little favor, give the video a like so I know it was helpful for you. Let's go. We're getting you locked in on the what you know, the skills that you need to know. But just as important as what you know is who you know and who knows you. So if you're ready to take your career to the next level, I want you to seek out those areas where the heavy hitters are, where the people that you want to connect with is. Maybe that means you've got to pay a little bit extra than your expense report will pay for a nicer hotel. Trust me, it's worth it. Maybe it means that you need to start attending industry events and maybe volunteer at those events. Extra work? Trust me, it's worth it. Figure out where the people that you want to network are and do whatever it takes to get there. Pay the price to get in front of the people that you need to be in front of. We've talked about this in other lessons. You are the sum total of the 5 people that you spend the most time with. If the 5 people that you're spending the most time with right now are giving you nothing and not where you want to be, might be time for you to figure out, okay, I need to maybe join a club that's costing me a little bit of money. Maybe I need to start flying first class. Maybe I need to stay at better hotels or eat at better restaurants. Whatever it is that you need to do to get in front of those people and change your 5 people that you hang out with to be elite, heavy-hitting people that are making things happen, do that. Get in front of the right people. It's not just what you know that's going to help you succeed. It's who you know, and most importantly, who knows you. Hey, isn't that Matt Easton guy? Hey, why don't we talk to him about speaking in our live event? If you're not there, they can't have conversations about you and with you about helping you move your goals forward. Get in front of the right people. Hey, I hope you loved the video. If you didn't already subscribe, please consider doing so and leave a comment. I want to hear from you. Give the video a like. That's all I ask. I'll see you on the next one.